The police authorities under the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha have shifted over a dozen Kashmiri political prisoners from occupied Kashmir to different jails in India. Over a dozen political prisoners, including the Hurriyat leaders Mohammad Rafiq Ganai and Saadullah Pare, have been shifted from the Kot Bhalwal Jail, Jammu Rajouri district and the Srinagar Central Jail, and from other sub-jail to the Indian jails of Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Continuing their anti-Kashmir policies of seizing the Kashmiris' assets, the Bharatiya Janata Party-led Indian regime has attached the properties of 5 Kashmiris in the Rajouri district. The Indian police under the BJP's Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha seized the properties of Sirajuddin, Muhammad Ashraf, Riaz Ahmed, Mushtaq Ahmed and Farooq Ahmed in the Ghul area of the district. Indian police arrested a Kashmiri trader in the Indian capital New Delhi in a fake case. The Indian police agency Counterintelligence Kashmir, in collaboration with the CID cell of the Delhi and the Delhi police during an operation, arrested an eminent Kashmiri trader Parvez Ahmed Khan of Srinagar in a hotel in the New Delhi on the false charges. Systematic anti-Muslim policies of the Bharatiya Janata Party, rooted in the 2002 Gujarat riots, escalating violence and marginalization of the Muslims, with the growing global criticism of the state-supported discrimination. A report reveals BJP's Gujarat policies as a model for nationwide anti-Muslim discrimination, with the BJP's politicians inciting the mob violence, lynching the Muslims and spreading misinformation portraying Muslims as a security threats. Public Health Engineering Department workers, daily wagers, held a protest demonstration outside the office of the Chief Engineer Jammu, demanding regularization of their services and the release of the pending wages under the banner of the PHE United Front. These workers, led by Rajinder Singh Taj and other United Front leaders, assembled in the PHE complex Jammu and held a strong protest demonstration.